I don't know about you, but I've been really overwhelmed when it comes to pay-per-click and SEO and getting our website lined up. I have been totally overwhelmed, and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars not getting any kind of results. Does this sound familiar? And then I found Plumber SEO. I love Josh and Dean and their team. We have developed a comprehensive strategy to getting the right number of calls at the right time, and I'm so excited. Best of all, they've made it really easy and worked with us so that I understand what's happening. Doesn't that sound great? I highly recommend Plumber SEO.